Hi guys, welcome back to Learn with Woon. Today we're gonna take a look at the AS Math Pass Exam, Paper 1 Pure Math from June 2023. So let's start with the first question. 4 sine theta plus tan theta is equal to 0 for the values of theta between 0 and 180 degrees. Okay. So step 1, let's start by rewriting the equation in the way that we can collect the like terms. We know that tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. So let's plug that into the equation. 4 sine theta plus sine theta divided by cos theta is equal to 0. Step 2, let's factor out the sine theta. So we'll have the sine theta out of the brackets, and then in the brackets we'll be left with 4 plus 1 over cos theta equal to 0. Now this gives us two possible cases. Case 1. Is that sine theta would be equal to 0, right? Because now we're left with either sine theta is equal to 0, so that it multiplies by the thing in the bracket here, and then we'll get 0, right? Because anything that is multiplied by 0 would give us 0. So let's see case 1. Sine theta is equal to 0, so the theta itself is equal to the inverse sine of 0, and the theta is then equal to 0. But the question specifically states that they want the theta to be between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. So this does not include the 0 degree. Hence, we cannot use this case and we will discard it. Case 2. So the case 2 is that the 4 plus 1 over cos theta will be equal to 0. We then solve the equation by subtracting 4 from both sides. So if we subtract the left side by 4, this 4 would be gone, and the right side will have minus 4. And then we multiply both sides by cos theta, and we'll get this side would be left with 1, and the right hand side would be minus 4 multiplied by cos theta. And I would divide both sides with minus 4 so that I can get rid of the minus 4 here, and we'll be left with cos theta on the right hand side. Oh, we're getting very close. Then we will know that the theta would be equal to the inverse cos of minus 1 over 4. And then using the calculator, we'll get theta equals to 104.5 degrees. So since it's being stated on the cover that you should give the answer in 1 decimal place for angles, that's why we have to round it up to 104.5 degrees. And that's it.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more past exam answers and other tips you need to know. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment.